In this video, we're going to show you how to connect a T-Mobile home internet to a smart TV. So before connecting your TV, make sure that your gateway is powered on and check that the internet is working on another device like your phone. If the internet is not working, fix that first. Then you would like to go and open your Wi-Fi settings on your TV. Using your TV remote, open your settings and go to network. Whatever TV you have, you'll find networks inside your settings. So from there, you can select Wi-Fi or wireless connection. The exact menu will depend on your TV brand. You can then select basically your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network, find your Wi-Fi network name or SSID, and select it from the list. The Wi-Fi name is printed on the label of the gateway unless you've changed it. You should normally know it. And just go and select it and of course enter your password. Once you enter your password, select connect or done depending on your TV again, and wait a few seconds while the TV connects. Once connected, you can open, as example, YouTube or run the TV network test if they have a one. If the app loads, your TV is connected successfully. If you want, and if you have that option in your TV, you can also use an Ethernet cable or connection. If your TV has an Ethernet port, connect one end to the Ethernet cable of the TV or to the TV and connect the other end to the T-Mobile gateway. The TV should detect the wired connection automatically with you not having to do anything, and it's much faster normally than the normal wireless connection. So that's how you connect a smart TV to a T-Mobile home internet. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and goodbye.